No, no, I give up. No, 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 I give up. No, no, can't deny it. No, no, I give up. No, 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 I give up.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Beautify Plus. In case you're new or you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified each time I upload new content. So previously, I showed how you can make aloe gel, actually how you can extract aloe gel from the aloe plant so that you can use it for your hair, for instance, to use it as a pre-poo or to use it to style your hair from home, from the comfort of your home. So today I'm going to show you how you can use that same aloe gel that I collected last time to style your hair. It's very easy and you can do it anytime. I normally do it when I am going out and I don't have much time on my hands. I just use my aloe gel to style it, and I really love the look that comes out of that. So I'm going to be doing a twist out. With me, I have my aloe gel and my wide tooth comb. Yes. So the first thing is you have to make sure that your hair is detangled, ladies, because you want it to be easy to deal with. You want it to be manageable when you do your twist. So I washed my hair yesterday and air dried it. That's why it's looking like this. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to twist my hair, then do the twist out using this aloe gel. Okay. So I normally just pat my hair in the middle like this. After patting it, because I've already detangled it and combed it, I pat it in the middle. Then I do 3 big twists on this side and 3 big twists on this side. So I'm going to show you how I do it all. So first, I take a bit of the aloe gel. If you have a spritz bottle, you can pour your aloe gel into the spritz bottle and you spritz on your hair. Or if you do not have a spritz bottle, you can just put a bit of the aloe into your hand, then you put it onto your hair and make your hair a bit damp. The advantage of doing this is, you know, when you style on dry hair, it can make your hair break more. But if you're styling on damp hair, it makes the style come out, pop up a bit more. So now we're going to style our hair. I'm just going to put a bit of the aloe gel in my hand. Yep, like this. Then I take a section. I normally don't measure my sections. I just take a bit. Then I put the aloe onto my hair. So my section like this. Make sure it spreads throughout the hair like this. Then you just do a simple 2-strand twist. So here is how I do my 2-strand twist. You pat this part that I have taken, you pat it into 2 ways like this. Then you start twisting. As simple as that, ladies. It's very, very simple and it doesn't take much time. So I normally twist it to the very end. All right, I'm done with this one. So I'm going to do the same to all my hair. Take a bit of aloe gel again, put in my hand, pat a little bit of hair, spread it throughout the hair so that it gets damp. Like this. All right. Then I twist it. Very, very simple. Yes. Then I do that to all of my hair. So this you can do it to, it works for both relaxed and natural hair. My hair is actually relaxed, and the result, you know, those weaves we normally buy, the kinky curl. So the result almost resembles that kinky curl when you now do the twist out. And I love this style because it's very simple to make. You don't need much to do it. And for instance, your stylist is not available immediately and you need to just look good. This is something I would recommend you do. And especially, you know, recently the salons have been closed due to coronavirus, and you just want to look good, you know. This is something you can do. It doesn't even take skill, you know. It's just twisting your hair. It doesn't take skill. It doesn't need you to have so much, just your aloe gel and your hands. So I'm almost done. I'm going to twist this, and when I'm done, I'll wait for some time for my hair to dry up. And when it dries up, then I'll do the twist out, and then you'll see the results. I promise you, you're going to love it. Okay, one more. Well, depending on the curls that you want, you can actually do more. I normally do just 6 of this because I like the curl pattern it brings me. So this is my last one. Put aloe all over it. Yes. And please don't mind my twist. It's not the neatest you've ever seen. But it gets the job done. So you don't need to be a professional hairstylist to do this one. All right, so now I'm done. Ladies, I'm going to wait for a couple of minutes, maybe an hour or so, for it to dry up. And when it dries up, I'm going to do a twist out. And please watch the video to the end. I've got some very, very exciting news. I promise you, when you hear this news, you're going to be jumping up and down wherever you are watching me from. So don't miss any minute on this video. I promise you, it's really, really great news. So I'm just going to wait for it to dry up, then I come back and do my twist out. I'm back. So I've waited for about an hour or so, approximately an hour. How long you wait depends on the amount of aloe you've used, as well as how quickly your hair dries out. I was air drying, by the way. So I'm as anxious as you are to see how this came out. So let us begin untwisting. Okay, this looks great. It looks promising. Yes, so you untwist carefully. This? Yeah, so this is what it will look like. Very big, chunky twist. I could have waited a bit longer for it to be dry. The drier it is, the more defined the curl is. It won't just fall when you're now trying to part the hair. So, yes. Don't mind me looking sideways. I'm looking at my mirror so that I see what I'm doing as I untwist the twist. Okay, the back part. Ooh, yep. And here. to go. Yeah. Then you can use your wide tooth comb to separate, to just separate, or you can use your fingers first to separate the curls so that they are bulky, you know. So just separate carefully like this. Okay. I think I'm loving this. I'm loving the curl. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Can you see that? Yeah. That's a good curl. Okay. Let's do this side carefully. Alright. This side was not really dry, so it might not look as good. Okay. If I had given it more time, the curl would be really good. This is why I normally do this when I go to sleep. If I know ahead of time that I want to go somewhere, I give myself a lot of time to make sure that the curl is very defined. Alright, carefully. And here. Yes. So you just do this to the whole of your head. Carefully pull it carefully like this. Yeah, now the last one. Okay, this one, because I didn't give it much time, it gave me more of a wavy type of look. Right. So now I'm just going to use my comb to pat it where I can see it, where I would like the shape to be. Okay, so this is what it looks like at first glance. So depending on how you want it to look, whether you want it to have a side part, or you want it to part in the middle, or you want it to look more bulky, you can just use a wide tooth comb to pick on the hair. I normally like to do a side part, so I'm just going to open here just a little bit. Let me just look in my mirror what I'm doing. Okay, like this. And try to be careful not to destroy the curl. Whoa. Yes, like this. Okay, so this is what it will look like when you're done. If you want it to be more bulky, you just keep picking it with your comb, or with your hands in the inside, but just be careful not to destroy the curl. Okay, mine looks more of wavy. Yes, but if you give it more time, it will look so curly. All right, so this is my final look. This is what it will look like. All right. Yes. So, concerning the very good news that I promised you, the very good news. Let's have a drum roll. Okay, big drum roll. Anyway, so the good news that I have is I'm in the middle of developing some hair products for you guys, and I'm going to be releasing them soon. So if you're not following me on social media, please follow me on my social media handles so that as soon as the products are out, you'll be the first one to know and you can rush to purchase the products. I promise you they're going to be really good. They're going to smell good. After you try this thing that I'm developing, you are just going to have hair that is flourishing and that smells good. And also, I'm going to be doing hair consultations online. So you can book to consult with me so that I can help you with your hair growth. As you know, how people's hair grows and the issues that people face with their hair is different. So we're going to be looking specifically at what is affecting your hair growth, and I'm going to be helping you with that. So just look out on my social media platforms. You see where you can get in touch with me for a booking, or where you can find out about our products if they're out or something new that's coming your way. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if you did not subscribe, I'll repeat again, subscribe, and follow me on my social media platforms so that you know when the product is out. So till then, goodbye, beauties.